Hello, welcome back to another video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel. Today I'm just gonna be going to help my sister with her photo shoot. It's Friday, January 17th, and her birthday is on January 31st. And this is my sister's 21st birthday. Like, I just can't believe it. 2004 babies are 21, and that's crazy. But yeah, I'm about to head up here, help her with her photo shoot. I have a fan in the back seat because she told me to bring a fan for her the theme she's having. And yeah, let's get this day started. Hey, it's a little interlude. So I don't know, I think it's like 5:12. Tamai just changed into her second outfit. So I'm about to go back in and show y'all a little bit of that. I forgot that I brought this fan for her for the Marilyn Monroe outfit. So I'm about to take it to her. She finished her photo shoot. So now she's gonna change and go. Wait. Now that Tamaya's shoot is over, I'm at a basketball game. The boys are playing now, and it's 32-18. And the game goes down. Please don't crucify me because I'm on here in my bonnet. But anyways, it's Saturday, January 18th, and I'm outside in my car because I'm about to wash my car. So I'm going to just show y'all how it's looking. It's dirty. But it's warm down south. But this is how my car looks like. It really needs to be washed. So we finna clean her up, Miss Pearl. Oh, I'm so tired. I just finished washing my car, and yeah, it's hot. It was like 66 degrees. It gotta be like 70 some degrees now. But this is how it looked. And now I'm finna drive it to let it air dry. Yeah, my car actually still looks dirty, but it's as clean as it's gonna get, especially the tires. I didn't clean the tires at all, so I don't know. If you're a girl and you wash your car, give me some tips for cleaning the tires because they always be dirty every time I wash it. But that's as clean as it's gonna get because I ain't doing nothing else to that car. I might try to put the back seat leather seats I got in, but other than that, nothing else with scrubbing and stuff because I'm tired. So it's about 7 o'clock and I'm in here trying on my Valentine's outfit, y'all. I only have a half of a mirror, so you can't really see. And my hair is not done, so of course the fit not giving what it can give. But this is the fit. This is the full fit. And yeah, so I can't wait to actually style it up with jewelry, accessories, purse, and all that. But I think it looks pretty good. It looks nice. And yeah, the heels are just the right height. The heels like they're right, just enough for the pants. So yeah, I'm super excited. I don't know where I'm going for Valentine's, but I'm going somewhere because this got to be seen. And I forgot the most important thing of all, everything is from Shein, and I'll just put it on the screen somewhere. So the coat is from Shein, and the leather pants are from Shein, and also the heels are from Shein. And what else am I missing? So the top I have on, I don't think I'm gonna wear this, but I did get a spandex black shirt, so I'm just gonna put it out on the screen. So I went and got my baby and some food. Haley is with her grandma, so I didn't get another plate, but this would have been enough for both of them. But anyway, this is a regular chicken wings, and where I'm from, y'all, we don't have a restaurant. My cousin Kyra, she cooks, and so I'm happy she's back cooking, and I went and picked this up from her because her food is so, ooh, it's so good, y'all. And this is mine. I got hot. Yeah, now I'm about to take Angel her food and go home. It's 8 o'clock and I'm about to take a shower and then go to bed. So I will see y'all tomorrow. As y'all can see, I rolled my hair up. And I am making a short on the takedown of how it look. Well, anyway, y'all will see it anyways. Don't mind that piece. But yeah, I'm going to bed and I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm going to church in the morning, so I'll see y'all then. Good morning. It's January 19th on Sunday, and I'm about to get ready to go to church, but Angel is getting ready to come over, and Haley is under the weather, so only Angel will be going to church with me today. It's 1:34 and I'm out of church, and church was so good, y'all. Like, when I say I'm spiritually full, I am. But how y'all know they banned TikTok and then they unbanned TikTok and gave credit to Trump for it? How about I deleted the TikTok app, so now I can't get it back because it's saying it's not available in my region. And whatever, y'all, I have such an unhealthy attachment to TikTok anyway, so it's just like, if they do bring it back, I'm gonna get it back. Because TikTok has so much valuable information on there. It's not even just for laughs and giggles. They really have some good information on there. And but if they don't bring it back, I mean, it's kind of like a win-win either way. So I am kind of sad that I can't scroll because everybody else on there, and I can't go on there and get my little laughs in and, you know, just talk about that they banned it and now it's back. I know some of the creators I watch on there probably acting up, and I just want to be a part of it and laugh too, but I can't. But Angel ended up going with her Gigi after church, and Haley is still with her Nunu. So I'm just at home enjoying the little peace and quiet that I have. And it's about to be a winter storm down here, like in my area at that. Usually the area I'm in, we don't get any snow, but the forecast said we'll get like 1 to 3 inches of snow. So that's exciting for my kids because they haven't seen snow since 2022, I think. And it's 2025. That was 3 years ago. Today is Monday, January 20th. It's Martin Luther King Day, and I'm headed to Honda to get my car serviced. I had a recall on my car, so I'm going there to get it fixed. And that's about it. I know they're having a Unity brunch in my hometown, but I'm missing it since I'm heading over here. My appointment's at 10 and it's 9:24. So I'm back at home for right now. I ended up leaving my car at the Honda place because it was taking a while. So I had my grandparents come pick me up. So now I just have to wait until they're done with the car because they had some people in front of me. So I asked my grandparents, could they come get me because while I wait for hours up there. And then they had the inauguration on. No, I was not watching it myself because no, but they had it on and I'm like, why is Mark there? Why is Mark Zuckerberg there? And why is Elon Musk there? Like, what political value do they hold? And that's weird to me, but whatever. It's really not whatever because this is our country, a country that I live in, that I'm raising my kids in. But it's like, what can I do? So yeah, I'm just waiting until my car is done at this point. And yeah, it's always nice to just have my grandparents here with me. It's like really a blessing to still be able to call on my grandparents because, you know, just getting old, I'm glad that we're growing together and, you know, because things can happen. And it's just a blessing. So I guess for now, I'm just going to be chilling at home until they get done with my car. I ended up catching my mom and Mama Dia, and I came and picked my car up. You know, when you pick your car up, they're always going to say that they have this and that needs doing to the car. But I told them not today because they said something about an air filter. But I remember last time I was there, this lady, she was just like, girl, I got me an air filter from Walmart and I put it on myself, so I'm gonna do that. But they did say that I need some more tires, and they was like 2 tires will be $338, and I'm just like, I don't have that right. Well, I don't have that to pay them right now because I have to pay tuition today, and that's already a bill in itself, and I just can't. Honestly, I can't afford to spend money on tires right now, even though I need them. So I'm gonna have to push that back too. He also said something about my windshield wipers. So I'm just like, if it's not one thing, it's another. But at least the whatever it was is fixed on my car now. And now I'm heading home and I'm trying not to be stressed about having to pay my tuition because it really is a lot. And I don't know, I just leave it up to God and pray about it because I'm really hoping that I pass my classes as well. It's just a lot that I've been thinking about lately, but I'm gonna pray about it. I'm trying not to worry about it, even though I am stressed and worried because things are kind of hard right now, especially starting over and starting a new journey. But I believe I got this. I don't think that God would place anything on my heart that he didn't want me to do and won't carry me through. So I'm just gonna leave it to him. It's currently 6:30 and I got an email from my school saying that we're gonna be out of school tomorrow due to inclement weather. So I was gonna take y'all along with me for my first day of class, starting my new semester, but that's over with now. And I think this is where I'm gonna end the vlog. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video, even though it was kind of, well, I wouldn't say it was all over the place, but I was sharing some deep feelings with y'all. So I hope any intellects didn't catch it and start feeling that way either. But like I said, I did end up taking care of my tuition. That's why it's good not to stress about things. And I will see you all in the next video. Please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.